Hi, this is Ms. Todoric, and today we are learning about the 5 tools in the Cricut Basic Tool Set. So you can actually buy this on Amazon for $9.99. So right here we have the scissor. So it's nice because it has a protection cap. They are sharp, so you want to be careful when using the scissors. The second tool we have is the scraper. Now what the scraper does, if you were to have any vinyl left on your mat, you can easily scrape the vinyl off the mat. The third tool is the tweezer. And to use the tweezer, you would get a piece of vinyl. Let's say you have some vinyl on the mat, and if you wanted to just pick it up, you can use the tweezer to remove vinyl or to remove anything from the mat. The fourth tool, we have the common tool. This is the weeder. This is definitely the tool you always need. You have your vinyl once it's printed out, and you're going to weed it, obviously with the face down would go on the mat, and you would actually scrape off in between the letters, and that's the weeder tool. So you work precisely with that tool. And lastly, you have the spatula. This can lift the vinyl off the mat, as so, and those are your 5 basic tools for the Cricut machine. Thanks, bye.